Hello guys, just a quick one. I got a Schlage a copy of a Schlage Mortis Cylinder Keyworks. It's a challenge lock that I made myself. The beginning looked like this. So quite challenging. I will use top of the keyway in my deep hook, which is a thin pick. So let's go. Pin 4, I think. 5, pin 5. Give me a little bit of turn. Again, pin 5. Pin 3, I think. Pin 1. No, pin 2. Pin 1. Pin 3, I think. Pin 4 is binding, I think. No, I think it's set. So here we go, picked. So we got it. So, crap. I didn't get it back together, this one. Just done that there. And, God! Just stuck in there. So I will just use it like this. Oh, there is a screw there. My screwdriver. Sorry for that. Set that aside here. So I will take it to apart. I put it together a while back, so I don't remember what is inside. So pin 1 and pin 5 are thread all the way to the back, and pin 3 is also threaded, but the top is counter milled also. So quite a nasty chamber. So now I will shut the uppers. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you get a pair of tweezers, and I will align that just a bit better. Shit. Oh, I've been quite mean with myself. So it's what we're looking at. So anyway, one is a piece of a screw there. Number 2 is just deeply serrated, homemade. But this one was a plastic screw, a screw that you screw in plastic, so there's quite deep threads in it, quite catchy. This one is a sharp edge one with a ball end on the other end. Quite hard to pick. Number 4 was a deep, I think they are Viro spools. And number 5 was just a deep serrated, a long serrated pin. I dropped it on the floor, but doesn't matter. So thank you guys for watching, and please stay legal. Oh, and by the way, if somebody want to try the challenge lock, just let me know. I'm interested in that. So please stay legal.